Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy and you're on Everything Diamond Painting. I have a package here from Diamond Painting Bling Art, also known on Facebook as Confident and Creative Community, run by Carol Everett. And this is her diamond painting company, Diamond Painting Bling Art. So I've entered a little paint along with her group. It's called Happy Fall Y'all, and we're all doing the same diamond painting, just to have a fun thing as a community to do a paint along. And she's going to pick a winner at the end for a $25 gift card to her shop. So anyway, I've been waiting. I think I'm one of the last ones to get their painting. It took its slow boat from across the sea to here, I guess. Anyway, let's get this opened and see what this is. It's a gnome. We all know that. She's shown pictures of it, so I'm going to get it open here just to show you. The event started like today or last night, and I just got this in the mail right now, so I'm anxious to get it kitted up and started. See if I can get this out of the package. Let's see what we're doing here. Okay, so this is the painting here. Let me unroll this. Okay, so we've got the drills here. Looks like a good fair amount of drills. We'll get into those in a minute. And we've got her nice toolkit. And here, let me move this for a second. We'll go through the toolkit here. Let me open nice, pretty organza bag. Oh, nice. This is a lot different than the very first one I've ever ordered from her a long, long time ago. Oh, I got a little placer in there. This looks like a three-placer. Oh, look at that. We got some fall or washi tape. Good, because I was going to section this one off with washi tape instead of my normal release paper, just so we can be seeing the picture through the paint along. But this one's really pretty. It's got like pine needles, pine tree branches in there. Really pretty. Nice. So I think I'm going to use that. And it's got a little tub of red wax. And we got a squishy. There we go. I use my own pens. I've got a collection of pens that I change off with. It's got the sharp tweezers, so you've got to be careful when you use these and keep them covered. Otherwise, I've gotten stuck by these a couple times, and they do draw blood. And here's the drill pen, and then the little multi-placer goes right on the end there. There we go, right on the end, like so. Okay? For those of you who are new to diamond painting, this is the pen that comes with, and they usually have some type of multi-placer in there. And we got some baggies. Okay, store all your extra drills with, or whatever you may want to do with those. Oh, well, okay, we'll get to that in a second. Here, we got some, now these I don't think are marked, but that looks like maybe an 8 or 10 placer, and this looks like maybe a 5 placer. Okay, so she's put those in there. And I got a cracked boat, but heck, I got plenty of these, so I am not too worried about that. Yeah, the package was kind of messed up when it came, so I think it's been through a lot in the shipping. Might have got lost somewhere along the way. Look at the back of this. It's nice. It's like a lint back, very nice and smooth, and it's got the scalloped edges, and it's serged, so it's not going to unravel. Very nice canvas. I like it. Very impressed. All right. Let's turn it over. Okay, it goes this way. All right, it's got some glare on there, but I think you can see. Maybe if I bring this out just a wee bit further, you might be able to see a better picture of it. There. Look at that. Happy fall, you all. Look at that. Aw, and this is the note. Oh, look how pretty the look how pretty the margins are. They got these nice little diamond shapes on there. Look at that. Nice diamond shape. And it's got their name down here. Her name, diamondpaintingblingart.com. And she's also got the, her diamond painting group used to be Diamond Painting Bling Art, but she's changed it to a confident and creative community, which is nice. So they got that. And then this is, the name, Happy Fall. I don't know if you can see that. Happy Fall. And the, I can't read it because I don't have my magnifiers on. I don't know if you could see that. Happy Fall. Nope, I can't read that. I'll have to check that out later. The size. Oh, the size is 30 by 40. And the shape, okay, I got it now. I got a square. I got a square shape. So this is the picture. Can you see it all? I don't know if you get that glare out of the way. Maybe if I turn the light down. There you can see. Isn't that pretty? Cute little gnome. So we're all going to be doing this together. All going to be doing this together. And it's got some nice fall colors in there. It's got the yellows. There's big sunflowers in there. Well, we'll just have to see. Here's the picture of it here. Can you see that picture? Happy fall, you all. See if it'll get a little clearer in there. There we go. Happy fall, you all. Oh no, you can see that. Let's see if I get it up there closer. Oh, you can kind of tell, huh? You can kind of tell. I get the glare out of the way. There, that's better. Now you can kind of see that. Okay, so it is a square and a lot of color blocking, I can tell. Look at that, all the color blocking there. So that's going to be white in the background, I believe. And the symbols are really clear on there. You can really see them. It looks like it's going to be pretty easy to do. Like orange and all the fall colors in there. See that? All the fall colors. So it looks pretty easy. Okay. And it's got the legend on here and a legend up here. There are 30 colors in here. And let's see. And let's see. I know there's some ABs in here. What are they up here? 5200 AB and a 444 AB. So the 5200, okay, that's these little ampersand signs here. So all the background, like I said, is going to be white, but it's going to be an AB. And then the number sign, 29, is a number sign. That looks like an AB too. So I don't know where the other 29 is, but it's on here somewhere. That is a number sign. So wherever the number sign is, can I see a number sign? Oh, I think right in here. That might be a number sign right here. Is that a number sign? Yeah, right in here. Right in there. So anyway, I'm not going to dwell on that too long, but it should be a beautiful picture, and I'm going to get this kitted up so I can start because it started today. And thank you very much, Carol, for allowing me to be in this little community and doing this paint along. So anyway, that's it. And oh, I always get so involved with the painting that I forget about the drills. So let's check out these drills. And there's probably another painting or picture of that on here, I'm sure. Okay, I get so wrapped up in the paintings. I just love them. So let's see what these drills are like, okay? Get this bag open, and we'll get the legend out here. Here we go. All right. Let's see. Okay. Happy Polly. Well, I don't know if you can see the picture on here any better. Yeah, you can. There, see? Okay. So yeah, I was right. The number sign and the ampersand are the AB drills. You can see the A's after the number. Okay. So anyway, these are all the nice colors in there. So it's a nice little packing slip to tell me what everything is. I'll probably copy that and put some stickers on the storage. Okay, oh, look at, here's all see, yeah, the background of this is going to be all 5,200 ABs. And they're square. Look at that. See the shine on that? Can you see the shine? Oh, look at, oh, the pretty shine. Ooh, I like to repeat it because it's so pretty. Okay, so we got those. And I'm going to be putting this in kitting this up. So, oh, here's the 444. Yeah, I was kind of right. The yellow. Isn't that, oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that yellow. Look at that sparkle on there. That's another AB. So that's going to shine up really pretty with the background being ABs. So we got these colors. Nice fall colors. Look at that. Why don't I just spread them all out here? And you can see that. Spread them all out. And we got some 3371s. I know that color. And look at all these pretty, pretty colors. Look at this. Look at these pretty colors. Oh, yeah. 762. Oh, this is a pretty one. This 814. I like the burgundy colors. Oh, I like the plums. Very nice color for fall, don't you think? Very nice color. And the oranges and the reds. Oh, yeah. You should see in Washington State right now, things are starting to turn into their colors. That's the one thing nice about, well, another thing, not just the one thing nice about Washington is we get all the nice fall colors. Browns and greens and the tans. Pretty. And there's some grays and more browns. So these are all, it's going to be a beautiful painting, you guys. And with the yellow ABs and 2 packages of 5,200 ABs. And for you who are new to the channel or new to diamond painting, ABs stand for Aurora Borealis. And compared to a regular drill, okay, I'll show you the yellow and the orange one. Okay, so compared to the regular drill, which is this one, I mean, it sparkles. You can see that. But then you see this little shiny coating on these drills. It just gives it a nice shine. Well, that's the coating of, calling it Aurora Borealis. That's the coating they put on. It's like an iridescent shine. So it really blings out a painting when you use these. Okay. Yep. Love them. Love them. I store all my extra ABs because I like to add ABs and sparklers in my painting. So I don't know. Who knows what I might do with this one. So anyway, there's all your drills. Okay. So anyway, we'll say goodbye. I hope you you can tongue-tied, confident, and creative community. I will put their link at the bottom of in the description box, and I will have everything else in there that you need. I've got my diamond painting group, Diamond Painting with Joy. There's a link for that. There's also a link for Buy Me a Coffee. It's a non-obligation donation whenever you feel like it, or if you feel like it. There's no obligation to do it, but it really is appreciative and it helps me out to bring you, because yes, I did have to purchase that. To bring you more of these paintings and more how-tos, and if there's something that you'd like to see, put it in the comment section. Maybe there's something you'd like me to show you how to do, or a particular painting, or just whatever. I'd be glad to hear from you. So if you are new, I welcome you, and I'm glad you're here, and I want to say hello to all my subscribers. Without you, I wouldn't be here. So I'm very appreciative for every single one of you. So don't forget, if you're new, subscribe. There's a red button underneath this video. It says subscribe, and then there's a bell next to it. And click on that bell, so every time I put out a new video, you'll be notified, and you can come and check it out and see all the fun. Don't forget to like. Like is important too. Shows me how many people are watching. So, hey, I'll leave you here, and love to hear from you. Anything you want to put in the comment section. Be nice, okay? And don't dislike. Don't put a thumbs up or thumbs down. Put a thumbs up, okay? All right. See you later. Bye. I'm almost